In this video, we explore a ZoomInfo alternative that is both cheaper and easier to use. This product demo highlights how LinkFinder AI delivers valuable LinkedIn and company data affordably and efficiently. Here on ZoomInfo, if I go on the pricing and plans page, I can see that they have 3 plans. To access the plan pricing, we need to book a call with the ZoomInfo team. The ZoomInfo plans cost a few thousand up to tens of thousands of dollars per month to access that data, which is very expensive for a small team, solo entrepreneur, or small sales team. Click the first link in the video description to find a more affordable alternative to ZoomInfo, LinkFind. LinkFinder AI is a ZoomInfo alternative with more accessible pricing plans. The first plan starts at $49 per month and provides up to 5,000 credits to find LinkedIn information for leads or company data. This plan is way more affordable and accessible for solo entrepreneurs and small teams compared to ZoomInfo. On the LinkFinder AI website, you can find different enrichment options offered by the tool. The first drop-down lets you choose the information you want to enrich, such as company name, domain, email address, LinkedIn company URL, profile URL, lead full name, or LinkedIn post URL. The second drop-down lets you select the output type, like LinkedIn profile URL or verified email. You can specify the output type to tailor the enrichment results. Fill the output type to get the desired enriched data. For example, enter a lead's full name to find their LinkedIn profile URL. Enter the lead's name, such as Sarah J. Next, select the company name field to specify the lead's organization. Fill in the company name, for example, Salesforce. Click Enrich Data to find the lead's LinkedIn profile URL. The tool finds the lead's LinkedIn profile URL. You can click the LinkedIn URL to view the profile. You can also select different data types to enrich. Fill the data type field to specify the enrichment input. Select the output type, such as LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Fill the output type to get the desired enriched information. Enter the LinkedIn profile URL to enrich data from that profile. Fill in the LinkedIn profile URL for enrichment. Click Enrich Data to retrieve detailed information from the profile. The tool displays detailed lead information including job title and location. You can change the output type to get different data. Fill the output type to specify the data you want. Click Enrich Data to update the results. Click to view the lead's email address. Change the output type to access different information. Fill the output type field accordingly. Click Enrich Data to retrieve updated information. The tool confirms profile data found including phone number. Select the data type to enrich company information. Fill the data type field to specify company data. Choose output types like company website, phone number, LinkedIn URL, or email. Fill the output type to get company details. Enter the company name to find related data. Fill in a company name such as Microsoft. Click Enrich Data to retrieve company information. Click the company's LinkedIn URL to view its profile. Select data types to enrich further company details. Fill the data type field for enrichment. Choose output types to specify desired data. Fill the output type to get specific company data. Enter the LinkedIn company URL to enrich data. Fill in the LinkedIn company URL for enrichment. View detailed company information, including location and status. Select data types to enrich company details. Fill the data type field to specify enrichment input. Choose output type, such as company employees list. Fill the output type to get employee data. Select a department like marketing to filter employees. Fill the department field to specify employee group. Choose seniority levels such as founder or manager. Fill the seniority level to refine employee search. Enter the number of employees to filter results. Fill in the employee count, for example, 100. Fill in the company domain such as Microsoft.com. Click Enrich Data to find employees matching criteria. View the list of employees found for the company. Click Export CSV to download employee data for campaigns. Upload a CSV file to enrich leads and company data in bulk. Select the CSV file containing company data for enrichment. Preview the uploaded file with company names for processing. Click Process 3 items to enrich each company one by one. After processing, export the enriched data as a CSV file. Navigate to the API Access section to explore integration options. Open the API documentation to review available endpoints and usage. Choose the Company Enrichment API for detailed company data. Access the Quick Start Guide to make your first API call quickly. Review the Post Company Named website Sync API to find company websites. Explore the API that finds a company's official website from its name. Check the Post Company Name to Phone Sync API to get company phone numbers. Explore the API for retrieving company contact phone numbers by name. Access the Post Company Name to Email Sync API to find company emails. Review the API that retrieves company contact email addresses from names. Choose the B2B Data Lookup API for professional contact information. Use the API to find a person's professional email from their LinkedIn profile URL. Access the API endpoint for retrieving professional emails from LinkedIn URLs. Use the API to find a person's phone number from their LinkedIn profile URL. Access the API endpoint for retrieving phone numbers from LinkedIn URLs. Use the API to find a person's LinkedIn URL from their full name and company. Access the API endpoint to retrieve LinkedIn URLs based on name and company. Use the API to reverse look up a person's LinkedIn profile URL from their email address. Access the API endpoint for reverse looking up LinkedIn URLs from emails.